Hey, what is up, guys? Evan Aldo here. I'm going to bring you a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano technical analysis update right now. I'm still in my Ethereum short that I signaled out in the exclusive Discord earlier, about two days ago, or re-entered it yesterday. Original one got stopped out by $1. Still in that. Bitcoin short was stopped out in profit, so we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano's making a big run up. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. So, the main reason why I am leaning more bearish right now is because of the 2 week red dot. These could bring us down quite a bit. They don't happen very often. When they do happen, wow, they bring us down. I mean, look at this one. Took a little delayed in March, but it eventually did come down into May. So it's more of a long-term perspective. I think this one's gonna, come down, not take as long, just come down to here relatively soon, maybe in December of the next month, and then recover. So I don't think it'll be as bad as that, but I do think it means something. Confirms in 3 days. I think it probably will get confirmed. Now, having said that, look at the weekly, not much to deduce from that. 3 day, these are the more bullish. This is for the more bullish case, as we've been talking about. The 3 day, the 2 day, green dot. It's pretty rare you have a green dot like on the 2 day wall. The 2 week or the really high time frames are printing a red dot. But yeah, it's really tough to say really exactly what's going to happen. But I am leaning a little bit more bearish for a few more reasons going forward. 4 hours, this is going to confirm. It could have played out right now already. It could be all, we came up to this area and then we got to go back farther down. The daily, this is where it gets more bearish. We're about to print a red dot in the daily. Money flow has been in the green for a while. It could finally turn into the red. So, this could definitely bring us down a bit more. The 12-hour, been in the red for a while, could go farther into the red. Just a little, somebody make the argument, a little trigger wave, and then getting deeper into the red in 12-hour. 6-hour, okay, a little bit better, view up curving up, but 4-hour, we're definitely, I've been saying earlier, expecting a little bit of a rebound off of this spider line, but after that, just curving down below even more. 2-hour, okay, curving into the red, but you got a green dot, so would have made for a beautiful little scalp trade earlier off of that spider line. I was busy earlier, couldn't take it, unfortunately, but looking for the next one or whatever. So these lower time frames definitely looking a bit better. 15-minute coming up. So what do I think could happen in the short term? Well, let's see. Let's try a fib level from on our 4-hour from here to here. Take off our magnet tool. Try from here to here, and I think we'll probably have a decent shot of, or at least right what's happening right now. We come up to this area where we're testing right now. Let's see, and then coming down a bit. So let's look at our 6-minute. Let's see if are we getting any divergences. So if we come up a bit farther, we'll definitely get a nice divergence on the 6-minute. 3-minute, not a divergence yet, So we may have a little bit more time to go. And then if you want to get really, I don't really look at this time frame too much for entries, but our 1 minute, a little divergence. So could be getting to the top here before we go even lower, which what I think may happen. 4-hour VWAP coming up, so using the 4-hour and then some of these lower time frames generally coming up, we could have the bullish case, but with the higher time frames, the daily, I am a little bit more leaning towards the bearish. So let's look at Ethereum now, and it looks generally the same. The main things here, what's happening, we don't have really any spiral lines nearby us, but that's okay. We could draw the same fib level we've been looking at before. So from here to here, let's draw this fib level. And we bounced off of this area, this pocket, pretty nicely. Don't want to bore you too much. It looks pretty similar. Daily VWAP coming down. It looks like a little bit more of a delayed version than Bitcoin. 12-hour printing a nice red dot. Your 8-hour, relatively bearish. You're still in the red here. Your 4-hour, and I'm still short on Ethereum. It's a nice short and massive profit right now. Took at least 2 take profits so far. But yeah, so 2-hour and then 1-hour. Looks like it's trying to come down here, money flowing to the red, then coming back down some more. So that's generally what's happening on Ethereum, into the red in these lower time frames. You'll probably rebound, and it does look like we'll rebound a bit in the short term, but I wouldn't be surprised if we go even lower here. Could be wrong. The 2-day, we confirmed that green dot. This was interesting. 3-day green dot. I'm curious about the 4-day here. 4-day green dots. So all these green dots, it's interesting. These could go away though. Keep in mind, these could go away. 4 days, 5-day green dots. So it's up in the air right now. It really is up in the air. It's not the easiest market to read, I would say. But if you're following a strategy, if you know what you're doing, you should be profitable. Nothing's ever guaranteed in life. This isn't financial advice, but I have a great strategy in my course. If you're new, check out my course. Link in the description below. 15% discount right now, highlighting the main strategy that I use. So that could be a great thing, especially if you're new. I think it'll help you guys out a lot. But yeah, that's Ethereum. Let's look at Cardano. We had a nice pump earlier. A lot of people were saying Cardano was dead yesterday. Nope. Well, I mean, still well below its all-time high, but we had a nice pump. So what's going to happen with Cardano? Well, we're hitting a nice fib level right now. This is a big fib level, 0.65. Let's see if we'll go higher. I mean, the 3-day, 2-day kind of looks the same as like a lot of other things right now. Our 12-hour is curving up, so that looks a little bit better. It does look a little bit better than a lot of other things. A little trigger wave there, so I do like that. I don't have a problem with that. 4-hour, nice little trigger wave. 2-hour, you're curving up. You're going to get a money flow crossover. Some of these money flow crossovers, not financial advice, but they usually can be pretty strong. This you're going to have to, not financial advice, but you're going to have to, or at least I'm going to have to, if you're going to swing long on this, use lower leverage. Or I've been just mainly buying this on spot the last 2 weeks. These prices have been so cheap at $1.50, so that's been big for this. I've been happy with that. In terms of coming down, you're going to get a divergence there in the 15-minute. You're getting a nice divergence on the 10-minute right while we're hitting that area. So you're probably going to cool down a bit. You're probably going to cool down a bit in the short term. So yeah, after a pump like this, I mean, this entire came up 25%. So it's a volatile beast. It is a volatile beast, Cardano. So that's the technical analysis update right now. Kind of what I'm looking for to maybe add to my short Ethereum position. That'll be in the exclusive Discord. Oh, I just didn't even realize we got the money flow crossover in the 3-hour right now in Cardano. That could be powerful. That's what I'm looking for right now. Not the easiest market to read, definitely, but you take what you can get, and you don't need to know exactly what's going to happen to make money in this market. So please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please leave a comment down below if you have something to say, and check out my course below. 15% off. Discount code Trader15. Check out my exclusive Discord. I got some spots that just opened for one-on-one coaching. If you guys are interested in that, if you want to create a new BITGET account, create a new MEXC account, check out those links below. All right, guys, have a good one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.